Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr freelance service on the application of Fiverr. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will write the name of this application of Fiverr and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us.